Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office on this 26th day of February 2025. This is a Wednesday morning. Yeah, sometimes I lose track of exactly what day it is. I believe today is Wednesday. It's the 26th day of February. This is the morning briefing coming to you from the home weather office. It's another blue sky kind of day. Going to be a really nice day with valley temperatures likely topping 70. Yeah, we haven't done much of that yet this year, but it's going to be a little bit of a false spring sort of day because, we do have some wetter weather, some unsettled weather down the road. And as I was mentioning yesterday, we still need it. And March can be one of our wetter months in the area as well. Actually, we can get quite a bit of active weather in the month of March, a lot of snow in the Sierra too. So in the meantime, today is just one of those days that kind of reminds us that spring isn't all that far away. Let me show you what's happening right now. We do have clear skies in California, some clouds off the coast. Part of a system that's out here that's going to be weakening, a very slow-moving low out here that isn't really going to make much progress our way. So out ahead of it with southerly flow, and actually you can even kind of see the ridging here. You see how the flow goes this way and then comes down this way. So nice big ridge over California, keeping the state nice and clear and mild. So let's take a look at the precipitable water because that tells us a lot about what it is we can be expecting. So here is that same thing that I showed you on the satellite. You see how that area of moisture out here is aligned north to south. And if you want really good rain in California, you don't want that aimed north and south. You want it more in a east-west sort of pattern, west-east actually. And as we go through the next couple of days, you can see that line kind of falls apart. This is as we go through the day today, and it really falls apart, but it may be just enough to give us some sprinkles on Friday night and maybe into Saturday morning. That'll show you in the model here in a second. Here's another one of those lines that kind of falls apart as it comes our way, but we will see more cloud cover over the course of the weekend. Into Sunday, Monday, especially Monday, the models are indicating that we may see some better rain, but once again, you can see that the precipitable water is pretty light. We're down to a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch. It's not that we can't get any rain out of that, and we likely will. It's just we don't see substantial rain. So as I was mentioning yesterday, that's why I like looking at this product, because this is what differentiates the occasional showers, something that gives us some light rain, hundredths of an inch or tenths of an inch of rain, as opposed to systems like this that can give us an inch of rain and feet of snow in the Sierra. So that's why this product is so valuable, because it shows you just the amount of moisture in the air. And if you don't have a lot of moisture in the air, you're not going to get a lot of water out of it. So then as we head into next week, another little area, a little low off the coast that we'll have to see what happens there. This is more than a week away, but still the models are indicating that as we get toward the 9th, 10th, that we may start to see something a bit more substantial. So keep your fingers crossed that toward the 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, that we may start to see something a little bit better. The models are pretty good in agreement on that, and pretty good agreement, as I'm trying to say, in this early morning. All right, so let's take a look at the NAM. And nice today. Nothing in the way of precipitation, just blue sky. Tomorrow, same thing. Really nice days. Now we get into the day Friday, and here's that low spinning off the coast. It has some cold air with it, but it may try to give us a sprinkle here and there. This is Saturday morning at 4 a.m. I'm not optimistic that would really happen, but still, there could be some sprinkles. Let me see what this says in terms of total precipitation accumulation. It's showing 4 1/100ths in Sacramento, a trace in Chico, nothing around Grass Valley. So, that's not really going to cancel your plans. It's just not going to be as bright and sunny and nice as what we're seeing out there during the course of the day today, and again during the day tomorrow. The GFS is on track for about the same thing. And so this is Friday. This is those sprinkles Saturday. Not too optimistic about that. And then on Sunday, this looks a little bit better. This is Sunday afternoon. Some rain in the valley, some snow in the Sierra. Let's see what this is showing in terms of 24-hour precipitation accumulation. So this is showing, let's see, about a third of an inch of rain in Sacramento, and yeah, a couple of tenths of an inch, and maybe a half an inch in the foothills. It might be a little bit overdone, but either way, now on Sunday it does look as though we may see some better precip. And then in terms of total snow accumulation, a few inches of snow, as you can see here. So nothing great, but that would be on Sunday. So let's go back to this and go beyond that. So what time are we up to now? So this is Sunday night. There's a little bit of a break, but we'll also see some showers on Monday. So Sunday, Monday right now look okay. And then as we get toward the 8th, 9th, 10th, let's see, here we go. That looks better. That's on the 10th and into the 11th. So we'll see how that all plays out. It does look as though maybe that pattern from the, let's say, the 9th to the 15th, 16th, something like that, would be different. And also, I mean, this is out into fantasy land. This is the 14th, so we're talking 2 weeks out. The 540 line driven all the way down here, meaning it would be quite cold as well for this time of year, for the middle part of March. And then that, when it starts to get cold in March, with a higher sun angle, that also leaves the chance of thunderstorms and other sort of convective activity and that sort of thing. So on a day like today, when it's going to be basically cloud free and sunny and warm, it's and it's starting to get to that time of year that you start thinking about spring. The daffodils in my yard are up, everything's blooming. You think, oh, okay, that was winter. Well, yeah, this is kind of that fake spring sort of thing, because into March we can still see quite a bit of unsettled weather. A lot of snow in the Sierra is possible, and yes, we will be seeing cooler days. So don't think these days with highs in the 70s are here to stay just yet. That's everything I have for you on this Wednesday morning. Yeah, I figured it out. It's Wednesday morning. Make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.